You might have to use a trap on it. If it's in Johnny Shack, you're definitely gonna have to.
I'm not playing cook, you bitch.
As you just did? I'm confused. What?
I'm not playing cook, he a bitch. Ready's up.
Literally.
Say the phenomenon, simply known as the Marfa ghost lights, are occurring at an astounding rate over
The fuck
last
is that
few
logic?
months. Witnesses report seeing white, blue,
Oh,
and
no.
red orbs of light dangle and dance above the Chinati Mountains for several minutes before quickly disappearing into the blackness of the Chihuahuan Desert. Although the lights have been visible for over 100 years, their origin remains a mystery. Personal belongings linked to a missing Tulsa
What's your favorite
Oklahoma
fast food
couple
restaurant?
were found last week. Police say Tim and Tyra Devine seemingly vanished
Whataburger.
overnight while on a
And then
trip
second
to
place
You're
is Chick-fil-A.
fucking
country more than
disgusting.
6 months
Oh my
ago.
gosh,
The
bro.
couple's vehicle
You need
was
better taste
reportedly
buds. I feel
recovered
bad.
near Cypress Mill last November,
Okay, I
but
can
no
tell you
further
fucking
evidence
ate Whataburger.
has been unearthed
Yeah, I
until
went to
now.
Colorado,
Police
and they
say
have
a
one
wallet
out there.
and pocketbook
Watch
containing
my fucking
ID
sucks, it's in
matching
Colorado.
the white were
Oh, I
found
guess, I don't
scattered near
know.
the Pedernales
But yeah,
River.
I ate it
Couple's
once.
whereabouts are
I went to
still
Colorado,
It's best
so
in Texas.
I never had In-N-Out, and I never had Whataburger. Or Whataburger, whatever the fuck it's called. But I went to Colorado and for my filming career, and I was actually filming a movie out there, and I was like, all right, cool, never had these, let's get it. So In-N-Out was actually pretty fire, but
The
dude,
burgers are good, but the fries are ass.
no, it was like an off-brand McDonald's.
What, for In-N-Out?
No, for fucking other place.
That's what I was talking about. Whataburger. I like Whataburger.
Yeah, it was
In-N-Out, I hate their
bucks.
fries. They're fucking
No,
disgusting.
In-N-Out was fire. What are you talking about? In-N-Out was way
burgers
better
were
than
good,
fucking
but-
Whataburger.
Our cook left. Cool. What a bitch.
Did he really? That's funny.
Yeah. I don't understand. You could have just left the game instead of being a bitch and leaving.
Exactly. He was an Xbox player, so I understand. Alright, so I'm guessing I'm gonna place a trap on these gates then. Yeah, we're just about to get shitted on. GG's.
Okay. My chainsaw physically went through Connie. That's
This
dope.
better not count as a game. See, Arrow, that question, do you think being killers is too hard? That question, that's the answer right here, bro. You get dog shit people like this who just don't know what the fuck they're doing, and then decide they don't want to play after queuing up for like an hour, and then makes it hard on us. So this makes no sense. All right, Fuse is in house.
Oh my fucking god, dude. These fucking iframes are annoying the fuck out of
Okay,
me.
I gotta place it on a fucking door, bro. I guarantee though, they still don't get a 4-man escape.
They'll never see this. It always works.
I'd be happy if we honestly just kill 2.
Alright, Connie's dead. She tried playing door games with me like a dumb bitch.
Could've swore I heard somebody come up Johnny Shack. Could be wrong. Oh, no, they went upstairs.
Ooh, old man is gonna be pissed off about this mess.
You might have to check battery. Yeah, he's
You're gonna
probably come
have
up
to.
battery. I can't, bro. Somebody's already upstairs. Just fucking run,
ass
bro.
fucking third, man.
Julie's up here.
Alright, well, I gotta go fucking check battery. Yeah, someone's on us in the house, but I gotta go battery.
Alright. That's fun. I got upstairs locked.
Alright, both of your traps are still good.
Yeah. Just watching this front door up here. Somebody's right next to me. Anna's right next to me in the bottom house getting tool scrap.
Alright, she popped her ability.
I have no idea where Julie went.
How did I stall off that dude?
Julie's doing fuse. Julie's doing fuse.
Leland,
The others. Why is this dragging out?
Leland went upstairs.
Yeah, I know, but fucking Julie's on fuse downstairs.
She went out the garage.
Alright.
She went to the crack.
Okay, I'm on Leland upstairs.
Well, ain't you shifty? Like me.
Hit Leland twice. Fuck, what the fuck am I doing?
Dude! Fuck me, man. Lucky bitch. She's going down the fucking ladder.
Julie's up here somewhere.
Julie went downstairs.
My traps are still good. I can't tell blue door though.
You get out of here.
I'm gonna go through it real quick. That's still good.
I beat him in a close encounter. Holy shit.
Leland?
Yeah.
Okay. That's been really low, then.
I hit him 3 times.
Where the fuck is Anna at, though?
I don't know, but if I see one, I'm glazing, bro. I probably have battery. Can you here stay over here, watch views and stuff like that? I'm going battery. Yeah, Sonny's battery, I'm glazing.
No, Grandpa thinks I'm the best.
There's no Sunny, though.
Well, whoever this was. Danny, probably, I don't know.
Probably Julie or Anna.
Damn, I already lost him. Got one in the trap. Upstairs, no, I'm just kidding. There's Anna. Anna's welling. She's in cap. I'm going to get her. See her corridor?
Where the fuck is Julie at, dude?
I don't know.
Your trap's still good on better?
Beat her in a close encounter again. Holy shit. Holy shit, chat, bro. 4-man kill on 2 people?
You're getting a shit ton of points. I don't know where the fuck she is.
She's probably upstairs, bro.
No,
my trap's still good upstairs. I don't know.
I heard her. She's inside
Basement,
the
yeah,
house.
basement.
My fucking bad. She's dead. I got her. I got her
Good shit, good shit. GG's! What the fuck?
Let's go.
Holy shit.
Even without a cook, dude. Holy shit. Without a third. Fuck that guy.
Bro, we had Cook leave. Still didn't get any escapes. It's crazy.